This channel does not promote or encourage any illegal activities. All contents provided by this channel is meant for educational purpose only.
Have you had enough of paying so much in extra fees to create a stupid meme coin? What if I tell you that you can create a meme coin for basically free? Let me show you guys something. According to Solana's official documentation, creating your own coin costs basically nothing, just a few cents. It's insanely cheap to launch your token on Solana. I am not going to bore you with the details. If you guys want to check this out, I'll leave a link below. After hours of scrolling through GitHub and YouTube, so you don't have to, I finally figured it out. Do not worry, this is not a coding video. I have done all the work for you guys. All you guys need to do is create your meme coin. Step 1, download Node. It is a coding language really helpful for creating meme coins. Step 2, download the file called Solana Meme Coin Launcher created by me. Open the file, right-click, and open in Terminal. Then type the following command. Next step, log in using the Phantom Wallet private key or recovery phrase. I prefer the private key, it's the fastest way. Now to get your private key, follow my steps. I'll be quiet for a little bit. Once you log in, go ahead and create the coin. I am going to show you a live demo. Make sure you have at least 0.1 Solana in your wallet so you don't run into bugs later. This video is going to be uncut and fast-forwarded from here on, so enjoy some music now and watch me create my own coin. This is how you should get image links from Google. I found out something interesting during my research. We can add decimals. I don't know how this will help. Also, now you can see the amount of fees it would actually take to create a meme coin on Solana. It takes a little time, but don't worry when you launch your coin with my tool. It won't get lost in the crowd like on sites like Pump Fun, where thousands of coins are flooding the market every single second. To see that my tool really works, just copy your mint address and head to the website linked in the description. You'll be able to instantly check and verify your new coin live on the blockchain. If you have any questions or need any help, please add my Telegram.